Hello everyone. I received a succulent mail from the next gardener, and I'm so excited to show you what's inside. Okay, I just opened it and let's go. Okay, this I have 2, 4, 6, 8 plants here, and I'm gonna show you this plant, which is rare and expensive plant from the next gardener. It is Echeveria Crispate Beauty. This is expensive plant. It's from $50 to $100 for this super rare plant. But you can have this for $23.99 from the next gardener using the code RAREB. I will put down on the link in the description below, so you can see and you can have this beautiful plants. Look at this. These have ruffle edges with delicate parinas and pinkish purple color. It is a hybrid of Echeveria lilacina, easy to care for and very rare and expensive succulent. It needs enough sunlight in order to achieve its curled leaves and purple pink color. Next, I will show you other succulents that they sent me. Echeveria agaboides gazelle, so pretty. This is Echeveria the next gardener, Mia. Nice color. This is Echeveria German Champagne. Echeveria Caroline. Echeveria Red Rose. Echeveria agaboides Blue Dragon species. Echeveria Matcha Cake. And that's it. So I use the brush to clean it. Now I'm watering them. Next video is repotting of this succulent. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, everyone.